How to use Mac Accessibility Assistant shortcut. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Shortcuts application on your Mac. You will see the option for Gallery there. Tap on that and then tap on Shortcuts for Accessibility. Tab You See It on the top. Here, find the option for Mac Accessibility Assistant and tap on that. This shortcut creates a summary of accessibility features and resources by asking questions about a person's need. So tap on the Add Shortcut option, and with this, the shortcut will be added to your All Shortcuts menu. To run the shortcut, you can either find it in All Shortcuts menu of your Shortcuts app, or you can use Siri. To use Siri, if you have enabled voice dictation for Siri, then say "Hey Siri" to enable Siri and ask Siri to run Mac Accessibility Assistant. I have not enabled voice dictation, so I will simply enable Siri and then type Mac Accessibility Assistant. Choose a category of conditions. You can add more later if necessary. I will choose mobility. Choose the condition again. I will choose manual wheelchair user. If you want, you can add more, but I will just tap on finished here. You will be asked if you want Mac Accessibility Assistant to create a note. If you want, you can tap on allow, else you can tap on don't allow. I will tap on allow. The Notes app will launch itself with a personalized note about accessibility features and resources that you may find helpful. What works for you? If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.